Hi, welcome back to the Southern Skeins Vintage Slate Holiday Advent, and we are on day 11. So let's check this one out. If you remember, yesterday's was really light and had just a little bit of color to it. So here is today's, and there it is. There is today's, and so let me find. I just had yesterday's. Yep. So this is yesterday. This was the day before, and this is today. I see a theme. So let me hold up all of the mini skeins and let you get a gander. There they all are. We are needing some blue, I think. There's the pink color. Move them around some more there. There we go. Need some blue, some peach, something. I don't know. I guess we will find out later on in the week, in the month. Stay safe, be kind to one another. Happy yarning. Bye now.